Guys, it's 3 in the morning. Oh my god, welcome to my channel. My name is Paris. If you don't know me, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, guys. If you're new to my channel. I'm scared because I'm hearing all these sounds, guys. I don't know if it's like gunshots or like fireworks. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's 3 in the morning anyway. I tried to call up Venom, but no one was picking up. And I think he kept hanging up on me. And I know I shouldn't be playing with this, but I did something for you guys. Actually, I'm kind of creeped out because now, guys, I think he's calling me. Oh my god. Guys, he is calling me. Hello? Yeah, it's me, Paris. I just called you up as a prank because I got your number online. I didn't think you're actually like legit. Oh my god. What do you mean you know who I am and where I am? Don't come for me. It was just a prank. Oh my god, I'm gonna hang up. Whew. Okay, guys, so Venom seems to be really upset and he said he's gonna come for me. Maybe I shouldn't have pulled this prank. It's kind of too late now. All I can do is hide. And oh my god, I don't know. Like, was that him trying to like reach me? Like all those sounds I heard, like fireworks or like gunshots or something, or maybe like Venom trying to like break in somewhere, or just like appearing. Maybe it's a mistake, guys. I think what I'm gonna do is I'll go hide out with my friend and see what my friend's up to, and maybe I'll feel safer with my friend. Yeah, guys, I think this was a mistake. I mean, now he has my number and he legit called me back too. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do tonight, but I don't think I'm gonna be sleeping. I think the best thing I can do is just go see my friend and hopefully Venom hasn't started tracking me, or maybe hopefully he's like just kidding. Do you guys think he's joking? Is it safe for me to go out at 3 in the morning? Like, let me know if you guys would go off and see your friend after doing a prank call and getting like a crazy message from him. Like, okay guys, I'm just gonna go see my friend. I'm gonna do it. Like, I don't want to be alone tonight or this morning or whatever it is. Things you do when you're bored, eh? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Okay. To hide. I think I saw him coming. That is so scary. Okay. I'm hiding here. Oh my god. I think he's looking for me. Oh my god. Do you see him, guys? I think I see him. Where's my friend? They're not picking up their phone. Come on, pick up your phone. I can't be here by myself. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I think he's looking for me. That is definitely Venom. Oh my god. What am I gonna do now? Okay. I can make it back to my car. I think he's not there anymore. Okay. I gotta get out of here. Okay. This is so scary. I hate being in a parking lot at night. Oh my god. Guys, so I'm here in this parking lot and it's like super dark now. Man, I had like this craziest scare. I think I saw like Venom passing by. I'm not sure. Oh my god. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try and head home. I just left my friend, you know. We parted ways because I think we're both gonna like try and go our separate ways, and maybe if we do that, then I think that Venom would have a hard time trying to find us. Oh my god. I think he's over there, guys. Oh my god. That's crazy. I don't think he saw me. Okay, I might have to go the other way, but I have to be careful. Okay, I have to also keep in contact with my friend, make sure my friend's okay. I don't know if it's a good idea to separate, guys. Honestly, I'm really like freaked out. So I'm gonna try and turn my car on and just like sneak on by and hope that like he doesn't see me. That's so scary, guys. Okay, the coast is clear, so I'm actually gonna drive away and see if I can get out of here like safely, guys. I gotta turn on my GPS because I'm not familiar with this area. How do I get out of here? Okay, please turn around. Guys, I'm gonna actually talk to you a bit because it's not safe for me to just drive and try to concentrate while I'm escaping, so I'll see you. Okay guys, so that was such a big scare for me. I was gonna meet up with my friend. We had to go our separate ways and we didn't really have time to meet up with each other. I tried to look for my friend and we stayed in contact and texting. Unfortunately, I did spot like I think was Venom and he was looking for me or us. And I think that's a lesson to not prank phone call him or even just bother people at 3 a.m. So yeah, I basically did not get a chance to meet up with my friend properly or catch up properly. So I think that I'm just gonna wait for my friend to call me back because last I checked, I tried to reach my friend and I couldn't. But I don't think that Venom got to my friend, so I think we both should be okay. I know he said that he could see me and that he knows who I am and where I am and how to track me down, and that was really scary. But honestly, guys, I think that I should be fine tonight, and what I'm gonna do is hope and pray that everything's okay. We literally had to split up, and well, we were split up, but we literally couldn't actually meet up and hang out like we wanted to hang out and just like keep each other safe. I think it's safer if we just like stay separated for now and just be in contact. So hopefully my friend is going to reach out to me when my friend is okay. For now, I'm just gonna end the video and I'll keep you guys posted until next time. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button again if you haven't already. Thanks for supporting the channel. Priesters out.